Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error so you can see app quit unexpectedly. So for fixing it you just need first thing, so just tap on ignore and just reopen your app again. So this is the first way. Another way you can also try, just go to tap on Apple logo, just choose restart and just admit restarting your computer. So this is the second way. And also another thing you can try, just open your app store and just go to updates. So just tap here on updates, just check if you see here some available updates. If you see it here, just download and install it on your computer. And also you can try to update your app to the latest version if your app has some new updates. So just check. I hope one of these methods will help you. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.